Hello friends, in today's video, we unbox the iPad Air M1, and this is a very important product. This version of iPad Air that has been launched now is also called iPad Air 5th generation, and the starting price tag is about $600. Now for $600, you will see a variant with 64 GB. Here we have some Apple stickers. And with that comes the original adapter of Apple, which is 20 watts. And I can see the charging cable, which is USB Type-C to Type-C. The biggest highlight of this product is that the processor inside it is Apple's M1 chip. And it's such a powerful processor that my Core i9 laptop that beats it. It is a good thing, because the more powerful the processor, the longer it can support your product. And now this iPad Air M1, which we have in blue color, it has been launched in blue and purple colors. And this is the same blue color that you see in the latest version of the iPhone. It's much more beautiful to look at. If we talk of design, then more and less is the same design that was of the old generation. On the back, you get to see a camera of 12 megapixels. Also below is a microphone, and you can see the USB Type-C port. A big reason for increasing the capability of iPad Airs was that the USB Type-C has been introduced here. However, if you talk about openings, speakers are placed on both sides of the bottom and top. Also, the power here is that it basically supports your Touch ID as well. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.